What are you gonna do?
Okay.
Walk?
He didn't let me out.
Let you out.
I was afraid he was going to just drive off the mountain here. This is pretty scary. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute, Mike, let me out.
Let me out. Are you kidding me?
Where'd you go? Oh, up
Up
there.
there.
Up there. This is all just rock we're driving on. We're driving right on the mountain. This is.
Oh, look at this rock.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at this one. How am I gonna get up that?
Just drive, I guess.
I guess, yeah.
Here we go, everybody. Take a look at this. Whoa. Oh my. Wow.
Come on, Mama. Won't fail me now. Now we go down.
Down where?
Down over here. We can stop here. You want to stop?
Yeah, well, let's stop.